We love the story of Archimedes shouting Eureka or Newton's apple, but real innovation is rarely a single dramatic moment. The truth? Breakthroughs are built over time, not born in a flash. History shows that great ideas grow from consistent habits and the right environment. The myth of the Eureka moment makes creativity seem exclusive, but it's not. Innovation is more like gardening, requiring patience, cultivation, and the right conditions. Ideas emerge from a web of thoughts, experiences, and conversations. They're nurtured in places that encourage exploration and connection. Creativity is a process, not a lightning strike. Anyone can innovate by learning to connect ideas, embrace accidents, and build on others' work. This mindset turns innovation from a lottery into a skill you can master. You don't need to wait for inspiration. You can build systems that foster creativity every day. At Entrepreneurial Edge, we're here to show you how to do just that. Let's break the myth and unlock your creative potential. The journey starts now. Most big ideas start as slow hunches, vague, incomplete thoughts that need time to mature. Darwin's theory of natural selection, for example, took years to develop, growing stronger as he connected new observations. Innovators keep notebooks to let hunches linger and evolve. But hunches rarely become breakthroughs in isolation. The real magic happens when your idea collides with someone else's. Collaboration and conversation complete ideas. Tim Berners-Lee's World Wide Web emerged from sharing and refining hunches at CERN. Enlightenment coffeehouses thrived on these collisions, diverse minds sparking new ventures. Today, create spaces, physical or digital, where your ideas can mingle with others. Don't keep your hunches to yourself. Share, connect, and let your ideas grow. Innovation is a team sport. Innovation is about exploring the adjacent possible, the next step made possible by what already exists. Think of it like Lego bricks. You build with the pieces you have. Gutenberg's printing press combined existing technologies in a new way, expanding what was possible for everyone. Once a breakthrough happens, it opens doors for more ideas, like the printing press leading to the Renaissance. Many inventions, like the telephone and light bulb, emerged simultaneously because the right pieces were finally in place. For entrepreneurs, focus on new combinations of current tools and ideas. Use the copy, transform, combine, method, adapt, and merge what's around you. YouTube didn't invent video or the internet. It combined them with social networking. Look for the next step, not a leap into the unknown. The adjacent possible is always expanding. Your next idea is waiting at the edge. Great ideas flourish on platforms, systems that let others build and experiment. The web, the App Store, even cities are platforms that accelerate innovation by enabling countless experiments. Networks work the same way. When ideas flow freely, they connect and evolve. Open source projects thrive because anyone can contribute and improve. But innovation is messy. Mistakes and accidents often lead to breakthroughs. Fleming discovered penicillin by noticing a moldy petri dish. Percy Spencer invented the microwave after a melted candy bar. Serendipity favors the curious and observant. Expose yourself to new environments, talk to people outside your field, and welcome the unexpected. Embrace error as a creative tool. The path to innovation is rarely straight. Platforms and networks make happy accidents more likely. Stay open to surprise. Sometimes, the best ideas come from what you didn't plan. To innovate, treat your creativity as an ecosystem to nurture. Diversity is key. Surround yourself with people from different backgrounds and perspectives. Homogeneous groups fall into groupthink. Diverse teams spark new ideas. Build a personal board of advisors from all walks of life. Design your environment for both deep focus and serendipitous encounters. MIT's Building 20 proved that random interactions fuel breakthroughs. Stay curious, open, and resilient. Feed your mind, share your ideas, and embrace failure. Give yourself permission to have slow hunches. The entrepreneurial journey is about assembling ideas over time. Join us at Entrepreneurial Edge to keep exploring and connecting. The next great idea is waiting. Let's build it together.